welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'll be doing a wig install. If you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it and what I used, definitely stay tuned. So the wig I'm gonna use, now this I'm gonna show y'all from my least favorite. So this is this is a 18-inch loose wave wig that I have. Is just lace front at the front. So I'm not gonna be bringing this one back to life, y'all. I'm really not in the mood for that. I'm gonna do my short bob. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting on this girl right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to wash it. So that's really step one, is wash the hair. So it definitely needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna be cleaning this wig, washing it and bringing it back to life, honey, and installing her with y'all. So definitely stay tuned. So the knots is already bleached, so you won't be able to see that part because I already bleached them, but it looked pretty natural. The part does, you know what I'm saying? So we're good there. And then the other wig I have, because I actually was selling hair at one point. So I got a few wigs, but this is a straight one. This one hasn't been used. This one hasn't been installed. This one hasn't, you know, the lace hasn't been cut. It hasn't been bleached. It hasn't been used. But I'm gonna save this one because my birthday coming up and I might wear it. I might use it for my birthday. And if I do, I'm gonna go get it put in professionally. I'm gonna have my little stylist put it in. So I'm not even gonna play around with this one. I'm gonna save it. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using to clean the wig is just some shampoo, conditioner, and a toothbrush. I normally would use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, but y'all know ever since the pandemic started, it has been so hard to find alcohol, literally, because that's one of the main ingredients in hand sanitizer. So it is so difficult to find alcohol these days. I don't have any. So hopefully this shampoo and conditioner will do the job. The fact that I don't use lace glue is good, because this is nothing but freeze spray. So this is gonna come right off. So it really shouldn't be an issue, but I'm just washing it, just period, you know, just to kind of bring it back to life and get the curls back and everything and stuff. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so it's pretty much clean enough to my satisfaction. You don't see a lot of residue on there. We're gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna style it and then let it air dry. So okay, y'all, so I got everything. I'm gonna get one more thing, a razor blade, and then that's gonna be it. Okay, y'all, I lied. Well, I sort of lied, but not really. So they do have rubbing alcohol, but it's not the kind I really need. You really need 90% alcohol, but some alcohol is better than none. So I'm gonna just get this 70%, so that I could, like, you know, clean my area or whatever. So get this too. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my Nairobi stuff on here, so I could push the hair back, because this can't even see the hairline. I always do one part down the middle. Since I'm gonna have a middle part, I'm gonna do a part down the middle. All right, y'all, so I'm done with my braids. I got 8 braids. Let's see what I do. Okay, so I got my braids. I'm ready to put my wig on. Lay my wig down. Okay, so I got my... I'm trying to decide, do I want to glue it down? Yeah, I probably should. I mean, I'll glue it down. Spray it down. y'all, so that's good enough. I'm finna go sit under the dryer, let it dry. I'm gonna put my scarf on because it's not all the way down yet, but when I put the scarf on, then it's gonna lay down. Y'all, I think I put a little bit too much freeze spray because now it's like kind of hard, but that's okay because it'll come off in about a day or two and I can redo it. I like using the freeze blast because it's thick, but then at the same time it ain't gonna stick for too long. So this is good enough. I didn't get a chance to do my baby hair, but oh well. So how does it look? It looks, is it looking, is giving helmet? It is definitely giving helmet. That's because I wasn't able to do my baby hair. What I want to do is come in right here and part this and bring it down so you can see the scalp. But I put too much freeze spray right there, so it's stuck right now. But so it's just gonna have to be like this. But anyway, it's not too bad. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I really like using this method because, like I said, you don't have to use lace glue, but you still... I love this method because you don't have to use lace glue, but you still get a secure wig. Add me a couple more baby hairs, but I'm gonna wait until this freeze spray kind of loosen up and then do it. But anyway, if you want to apply your wig on a temporary basis, something that's not gonna last forever, like maybe you going out for the night or whatever the case might be, I definitely recommend using the Got To Be Freeze Blast because it'll get you a nice secure install, but then again it'll come up very easily. So if you have not, y'all, already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.